taken the projects on turnkey basis. He is also a regular visitor to number of international trade fairs and exhibitions. He connected with us today from Dubai. Motwani sir, on the other hand, we have a very mature audience, having more than 150 highly qualified and experienced faculty members and research scholars from premium textile and fashion institutes representing almost every state of the country. I'm sure, sir, participants of the FDP will definitely benefit with your insights about the concept of plant layout today, sir. So I request Mr. Motwani to kindly come forward and start sharing your experiences with our participants, and I will assist you while running the PPTs at my level, sir.
Okay.
Over to Motwani, sir.
Thank you, Harpreet. Good afternoon to all. It is my great pleasure.
Good afternoon, sir.
So are you audible? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Absolutely audible.
It is my great pleasure to be session on plant layout for apparel industry. I want to thank AICT and Atal Academy for organizing this seminar today and inviting me to be a part of it. A warm hello to AICT esteemed council members and Atal Academy organizing team and participants. Thank you. So now, plant layout. My subject is plant layout. I am 75 years now. This year, 55 years I work. 20 years I was working as an employee, and 30 years I am there. I have got a team of workers. 20 years I work on the different projects as means paper mill, powerhouse, blade factories, and so on. So when I came back in 1990 to India, I was employed at ADNOC, Abu Dhabi, UAE, where I was handling the maintenance of whole refinery, where we had to work as per the compliance norm, the safety. The safety was very important there because refinery, everything, gases were leaking. So we had been trained especially to work under that circumstances. And UK-based safety people were there organizing. We had to submit the work permit. Whenever we start any work, we had to tell them, and I should be knowledgeable for that, how to handle that particular point. Suppose I had to extend some pipeline, I had to do some work, welding work, or there is only experts are engaged to do because I am being observed by a lot of international consultants. And as per their standard and their parameters, refinery was such a place which cannot allow you to make a small mistake. One of my friend was detained and he was sent back to the India because he started the work without taking the precautionary measure for fire safety, like asbestos blank sheets, gases, and plus apart from they want you to know the operating. Suppose your welding machine, X-ray welding machine you are operating, you must know what should be the current is to be provided. Suppose something goes wrong while welding. I was welding on the live petrol line, which was feeding to the airlines. So they come and inspect. They will observer. There will be 10 people were observing me while working. Airport manager was there. Refinery manager was there. The security was there. Police was there. It is controlled by the police. Any mistake is not allowed for a second even. It is like going to the space. So that is the thing under circumstances which I work. I work for the Tata Powerhouse. I was in charge for the DG building, where also quality. We were having a personal quality for suppose sand, bricks, everything we were testing. I say, why this detail? This building has to remain for 200 years. This building is not meant for a day. Like metro is working, they are considering 300 life. They make without maintenance all the surfaces, exposed concreting, and I should engineer Sridharan. He says we want experts. When he left the country, resigned from this project, he left the note that hand over country to the experts, let them work. So now today's day demand is the experts. They want experts of everything because they don't have time limit. The all now this intelligence things are come up, all the data, lab test, particularly garment industry is facing textile industry is facing a lot of pressure of the testing, the approvals. This takes a lot of time. But to do all these things, you see, you need a better plant layout. When I started in 1990 in India, I was stationed at Delhi, and I had the opportunity to work for that Shahi Export House, which you know where it stands. They were 30 crores, 40 crores that time. Now they are in multi-million. So we should take the advantage of the opportunities. What I have learned from my life, no, you don't miss the opportunity. And second thing, which I have experienced and exercise, I don't waste single time, single moment. If I am traveling, I think about so many things. I look at through the so many things and use the opportunities. Suppose somebody sitting next to my seat, I'll ask him, sir, hello, where are you going? The person was escort company was going to Bangalore. I say, sir, what you are doing this, going there and meeting? They say, yes, we go in meeting, and our work culture is that okay, my sweeper knows the company is getting a loss or profit. He say, why? How you handle then this? They say, I am a manager. I will go to my subordinates and ask. I will not call him to my table. I will go to his table and ask him what is the problem. For 5-10 minutes, he will explain me, sir, this. Subordinate officer, I go and reach at 8 o'clock. Time. The industry is running with the time. So if you waste the time, then everything is gone. The time is very precious nowadays because of this thing. I'm sitting in Dubai. The Burj Khalifa was constructed 165 stories in 6 years. So that is requiring layout. That is requiring the planning. The Japanese say the planning will take 3 months. Commissioning will take 15 days. So when you have got a proper plant layout, so then you can work fast. If the planning is perfect, working is a no problem. For those reasons, I am lucky that I got simultaneously, I was working with the exporters. I was setting their industry. Industry was not that much organized that time. 90, I'm talking about 99. This export starts in 1974. 1974 to 74, that was the peak period of exports, textiles, because the buyer was not coming to look into the factory. They were there in hotel and they will come and have a party and go away. That was, I had not seen myself, whatever the 400 factories I have set up in 30 years time, 1990 onwards. So then I feel the things like I learned during the working with the factories. And they tell me what exactly is required. And then I got the opportunity to go to the NIFT, OSCAS. Dr. Rajesh Beda invited me because you have got industrial experience, kindly come and this our GMT people, no, because they are going to the factories and they are not having a knowledge of anything regarding how the things are working in the factory. So I started upgrading the factories, and then I went department to department wise because I understand the whole process while doing the work for the Shahi. Okay, what is the store, importance of a store, importance of the fabric, the whole process I had to understand. So we started understanding the process, how to keep the material, because while we work on this international project, national projects, I learned a lot of things, a lot of discipline, lot of time schedule. The time was like Tata Powerhouse. We were being given an everyday schedule bar chart. Okay, this is the bar chart. You have to work under this time limits. And they say if you miss that, then whole project will get delayed. So if the metro is delayed for 1 month, then everything, there is a lot of work, a lot of people will become idle. So on those guidelines I was working. And I have finished my career now 75 before coming to Dubai. 20th March was my last working day. For 55 years, if you kindly believe, I worked for 12 hours. 12 hours And because I had to go to the industry, they say, Mr. Motwani, what you will tell? We are the exporters for 30 years. What you will do for us? I said, there is a lot of things. Do you know what is a machine size? You know the table size? You know how many machines will take the place? So I had to educate all these things to them. Okay, the layout is must. So I will go to the now next. Now, what is the plant layout? Now, plant layout is a facility to physical facilities. The difficult part is that whatever you have got in a mind, whatever you have got in a drawing, that is to be transferred. Execution is the toughest job because you don't get skilled people. They don't understand your language. Okay, what exactly quality is the must? Tata sir says the quality is the must. I have done his guest house personally. I worked for the Novel Tata 500 megawatt unit there. There was the only thing of the time schedule and the quality. The maintenance free, they say if you see the structure of the metro, they don't want to plaster it, they just expose. The stainless steel is, I went in Paris, I saw 150 years old metro. They said all the things were stainless steel. They say we don't want repainting. We can't spend the time. Ellis Bridge, Ahmedabad, 150 years lasted. Eiffel Tower. So those material were used of the quality. And we should also, so understand the quality. I think mechanical engineer can be the best person to handle any industry. That is, and the subject they have made, I should thank the entire council members. It is Atal Academy will bring the good faculty members. I want good faculty, I want good leaders. I want experience. And I would request to all now, because now this program is for faculty development, please change your modem and come to the as a students. You all should become, don't mind. I want you to be listening me as a student. I'll be glad anytime, and I don't want to, people should come and go. You should put, I don't allow in my class, if I go to the GMT class, I say, no latecomers are not allowed. They will come, sir, may I come in? I say, no, come tomorrow. So this discipline, faculty has to understand, they have to work like a master, you see, and you should be very strict. I went to throughout the world from Shanghai to the end of the other part of the world. Everything, the discipline is there. The foreign companies, how they are progressing with the discipline only. They don't allow, okay, if you come 15 minutes late, please don't come. Your absence will be half days cut. So this kind of discipline will come when we are technically educated. What is the harm? Where we are doing the mistakes. ISO, when I joined the first company work for the company in Madras, I said, what is the ISO? Sir, I asked that man, sorry if I'm not taking out of the way. Because those things, he said, we keep a register. We don't want to make the similar mistake next time. This is the procedure, this is the working guidelines they have to follow. Now compliance has made so much pressure on the industry. Your factory should be neat and clean. You should take the safety measurements. Because why the fire is the first thing they want to be placed. Because of the fire, they say if anything goes wrong, I'm giving the example also. You will please bear with me. If they say the one basement has got a fire, his ready goods were shipped in next side factory, adjacent to that factory, that got fired through the ventilators. And his 30 lakhs worth of shipment, which was kept ready for delivery, got burned. Then happened, he was making the shipment for the skirts. The tops were to be ordered at some other factory. Now they say, if you don't supply the skirts, meantime my top is waste, one waste. So that's why they insist the compliance. The first thing is safety, and first thing is the fire. So we started understanding the fire, the smoke detectors, and then the CCTV cameras. Now these things, the people were not aware, they were not arranging. Compliance is insisting. Okay, then further, all this reason, due to compliance and due to I have worked on the industry, I consider all these things on the drawings. So first we make a drawing, we go to and understand what is the concept. And one more thing I will love to bring to your people notice, the farmers, the garment industry is like a farmer. If you do export for 30 years and if you finish one item, again, you do the repeated order also, you have to go through all this process. Farmers cut the crop, he doesn't know what problem will be, the exporter doesn't know what problem I will face, what will be the rejections, what will be the pass out, what are they want lab test. And everything is technically handled. Now it is not visible. Only earlier time where it is on the field. Earlier time it was only the design. But now they want garment to be technically all right. For that, the faculty has to be prepared. Faculty should visit the factories. What I would like to request, go and see the at least twice or thrice a month. They should spend 1 month in the industry, and their students are going for internship. That time also they should join them. When I was taking the lectures, I take the whole batch to the particular factory which I have set up, and I explain them. This is the boiler. This is the cutting machine. What kind of cutting machines will be required? So all these parameters we understand and we explain to the students. So now let us come back to our next thing. Next. Now certain elements, certain guidelines are to be, we have to decide for the plant layout, which you can see the 4 major points of the plant layout. Everything is attached to the written. Nothing you can say verbally. If you want to become a driver, so what you will do? You have to go and learn the driving. If you read any book on driving, you will not come to know anything. So those things are required, practical things are required. And Atal is insisting on the technical education. You see, the education should be clubbed with the technical. I have put this segment of the garment industry or in the education syllabus. We need the 3 zones, which I would like to share to you, please. Next. Now, can you please tell me what, now today's my session, what do you expect I should speak on? Anybody can kindly ask. Please tell me.
Sir, can I?
What is the interest? What is the today you want to learn on the plant layout?
Sir, can I proceed, sir? Yes, sir. This is Dr. Praveen Uke, working with DKT's Textile and Engineering Institute for the Fashion Technology. What are my expectations are? What is the ideal plant layout, particularly for the garment industry? As I'm doing certain consultancy work also for the garment industries, I want to know that what will be the ideal plan wherein we should have the less bottleneck operations, wherein the material will reach within time and there will be the more production. So that way I want it how that plant layout will be, how actually the machineries will be kept in all the departments. So your expertise will be definitely helpful in that case.
Let me explain you, sir. Okay, the plant layout, because this industry is every day, if you do the export for same item for 30 times, again you have to see the fresh. You forget what you done yesterday. But I make the plant layout after doing so many things, because such things, the factories where we blade factory I learned, I modified their whole process. The coil is coming, the blade punching is going, but printing is being done. So they were stationed at the different places. So I told them, okay, if you bring the near to this punching, first the coil, you open the coil reels, then it goes to the, so assembly line. The production needs assembly line. You see, and we have to see what is the today's requirement. We have to, next, we have to go for the future also. Earlier the things were disorganized. The military people, they say, okay, I was on the defense also, a lot of brigadiers would say, I say, when they make a camp, no, they were arranging fire camp. When they come from the field, they're in the fire camp. They say, we keep our shoes once we enter in the tent. So we know where I have to keep my shoes, where I have to keep my belt, where I have to keep my things. He said any blind within a moment we have to get ready. If the siren is going on, within 2 minutes we have to come out. And similar things happen to the fire department. Fire department has got the people are residing on the upper floor, and they have a chute which will land on his driver's seat because any moment they don't want to waste. So similarly in the production also we have to connect the department. Suppose now let me talk about the stores. Now main material, how to receive the material. Then I keep the table for inspection. I know what are the first I have to understand the product. There are different kind of the garment apparel industries. Now they should remove the word of fashion, no? Now I got an article yesterday came up in Dubai. Dubai is coming world number 3 for working. Lot of exporters import, everything comes imported. They don't have any factory over here. So now they have to control so many parameters. Now everybody buyer needs the lab test. They need everything. But all these things when we have to club, we have to see I start from receiving the material from shall I go to the drawings? A page? Full screen कर दो इसको. Enlarge this, zoom this.
Harpreet sir, please go to the slideshow mode, please.
Okay.
Slideshow mode.
Now this is the drawing for the basement. Drawing for the basement. Now this basement area is
Sir,
been
please
allocated
zoom
for-
it. Otherwise, you cannot see.
Zoom.
Slide share mode. Please use the slideshow mode. It is there in your laptop or computer. Slideshow
Okay.
mode. Please use it so that it can be appeared as a larger form to us.
Harpreet ji will please do that.
Sir, or else you can press Control and F5 simultaneously. Control plus F5 simultaneously.
Harpreet ji is बोलते नहीं फाइल पे zoom कर.
सर स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है अभी?
नहीं हो रही. नहीं हो
Full
रही.
step drawing.
नहीं हो रही है.
Sir, I think you have to share the other.
Only show the drawing. Basement. Drawing तो खोल दो. तो इसमें तो ड्राइंग की विंडो में सॉरी Harpreet ji, I'll run now PPT.
ओके सर.
जूम कर दे इसको. ठीक है. ड्राइंग ऊपर से नहीं निकलते. ठीक है. Now please understand. It is visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sir,
sir.
visible.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir, it's quite visible.
This is the first time I am putting. Earlier I was working within the hall. So now this is the procedure. Now the Indian factories are meant in the multi-storied. Earlier it was all open shade. Like if you look at the Bangalore factory, those who are working with 1,000 machines with open area or one shade. From one end the product comes in and finished product goes from other gate. But now here is because of the space and because of the open shades are very expensive because they cannot, land problem is there. So here I have worked for the multi-story building. So the material, first thing is the department is receiving the material. Now receiving the material comes as per the required quantity. Suppose I have to set up a shirt project for 1,000 pieces per day production, units per day production. The fabric will come. So what I had done earlier, there was just open, the bale will come, it will be lying in the basement anywhere. And then I have created the department. Now if you can look at to the first time, suppose the fabric is entering from the slope, this is a slide here. From slide, there is a staircase also. There are 2 staircases as per the compliance, they require 2 staircases. So we locate the staircase where it should be there and it should go to the driveways. There is a driveway around. So the fabric is received. This is a receiving bay, come fabric inspection. So as soon as the material lands here in the basement, so I have created the area. This rest of area is partition, aluminum partitions we do. Because the material will remain here, it will be inspected, then only it will go to the store. So generally I plan the area to keep the material. Suppose the truck comes in the evening and it will unload and go away. But this material will not be taken inside unless it is fully inspected. And as per the order, quantities are to be checked. So I have created the people, those who are here handling. You see the area where the staff is sitting. The managers are sitting. Those who order the fabric or accessories or trims, they will first see as per their PO. So I create a cabin to work for all the documents, things and like that. Then the material will enter in the one door is there. These doors are open 4 feet wide. Opening outside, that is a compliance point, the door should open outside. And there should be 2 doors minimum, which you can see in the finished fabric store. This is finished fabric. The fabric is being processed and coming, everything ready to cut. So even though they check there is a receiving table, there is a guy sitting here who will see the things, and then these are the racks as per the quantity of the fabrics, as per the size of the width of the fabrics. We make the store quantity for 1 month or a complete order. Accordingly, this has been planned. The corridors are there because that is a compulsory. The L is to be created. Plus, if you can kindly notice there, we give the design of if the building is new, I give the architect my requirement. First, they tell me this is a 10,000 square feet of a hall. So I should put the columns. If you see the dark, these are the columns. So I have to, because this is a very big building, so we can't have without columns. So I can give them a design, okay, the columns should be placed in such a manner, they should not come in a way. If you can kindly look at all the one column is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the central column. Other columns are facing outside. So these columns are being covered. They will not come in a way. Suppose now this particular table, if you see near the column, this I make a space. There is a movement. All the side, the movement is there. And then this is the distance. So this is the space I left. This is the space I left. This is against the wall I space. If you can see, then the space is left. This is the racks. Racks are placed against the wall. Racks are placed against the wall. So all these things are, because both the side, this while layering, the persons are moving from this side, also person is moving on this side. This is, if you see the dotted line, this is the for folding. Suppose sometime fabric is coming 60 inches, then the cutting machine should need to be kept on these things. So all these things we plan according after discussion with them. Okay, what is your per day requirement of cutting? I don't allow them to work in overtime. Earlier the cutting was done late. But yes, I should to plan the full cutting of the total day requirement, per day requirement has been arranged. The area is allocated, the size of the area is, because the buyer sometimes, when I give them a buyer, suppose a big buyer like Nike, Gap, their buyers, they say this plan is made perfectly, now you can go ahead with these things. Because I have considered all the things. This is a bend knife. Earlier they were not using the bend knife. Earlier the fusing machines were kept on the floor. I said no. As soon as the cutting is over, then it should come for the component, small component to be cut. Because you can't cut with the hand machine, like knit fabrics. No, they need a small cut. They first of all they cut the block. Then they bring it to the bend knife. Again, the collar cutting, small components have to be cut. Then from cutting, they have to be brought on this table. From fusing, it is to be, after fusing, the part is to be checked and made in bundle. So these are the fusing. This process was not done. The bend knife was not loose. And then I told them to use end cutters. So I say end cutter is saving 5 centimeters of fabric. They are cutting manually. I said no manual cut. Please put the table, and I give them a special space. If all this space, if you look at, we have to design everything. This is the lift. They were not using the lift, that they were taking the material in the hands. I said no. Carry in the trolleys. All this area, if you can kindly look at, this is the common passage. This passage is also as per the compliances for the 1500 5 feet. Now, as per the COVID, we have to increase more. I have to arrange, I'm drawing the factories for the pandemic, post-pandemic, that this passage I have to at least increase for 6 feet. So they should not cross. And here now I'm planning recently, the operator a person should come from one end and it should go from other end. When there should be no cross movement because of the distance, 6 feet distance. So this passage, and plus if you can kindly look at this is the department. Earlier the floor was kept open. Nobody was worried about this closing the areas. Suppose now cutting fellow is coming, so he can't go into the fabric store. I kept them confined to the cutting. They cannot go and pick up the fabrics and bring it to there. Sometimes they pick up a wrong, unchecked or rejected fabrics. I put the CCTV camera, so then I can give them a drawing for CCTV. And this is the trim store. If you look at the left side, this is a trim store. Now trim store size of the rack is different, and they have to be stacked. Then I will show you in the next slides when we're put. So all these things I am doing, we are planning. I have to work on myself on a table. Architect keeps the office. Don't mind architects, please. 100 architects I have been working with, the 100 architects. You see, their staff is working. Here I had to work because I go to the client and then I bring back everything I put on a drawing. Can you imagine? I spent 77,000 man hours with the exporters. 77,000 I worked out hours wise. I have got 6 to 8, 10,000 drawings. I am taking out the drawings from my files because I retired. I don't want to work. I have got maybe 10, 15, 20,000 drawings made. This much time I spent on AutoCAD. This is not a 1 minute job. Sometimes they say me, कि सर क्या है layout दे दो आप तो अभी now you are the expert. आपको क्या time लगेगा? I can just give you the instance of Picasso. He was sitting in some Royal Club tea party and some princess came and, oh, Picasso, you are here. I would like to, kindly you can do something for me. He said, what? He said, I have come for entertainment. No, I am very fond of you. I am your fan. Kindly do something. She left her kerchief on the table. He said, do something on this thing. And whatever amount you will charge, I will pay you. He said, no, but she was forcing and he cannot deny her. So he said, okay, madam, leave it and come after some times. She came after some times. She took the this handkerchief in her hand. On the 4 corners, he had written PEP in different directions. And he said, then she asked how much I had to pay. He said 40,000. 40,000 for doing this small PEP on 4 corners, and you are asking 40,000. Madam, this 40,000 I'm asking, it took me 40 years. I am not. So this, I spent so many times, the people say, sir, why we should call you? I say, you show me the layouts, and each factory is different, no? Each area is different. So this is, I'll let this you understand the basement we are requiring. You can see, if you have any question on this thing, anybody?
Sir, can I ask the question?
Please.
Yes, sir. Sometimes in the decentralized sector, whenever for the consultancy they are coming to us, they are saying like this is the area which I'm having, or maybe the factory which I'm having, and in that only you need to fit the whole garment processes. So in that case, what are your plans? I mean, what are the things which you are going to consider?
Now the main criteria as far with us is for the area, available area, because this is not that everybody is make the similar size, 250 square meter factory, 314 acre factories are done from small, big factory. So we have to see how much area, what is the product is asking for. And what is, I can go, if they're working existing factories, I will go and survey how they are working, where are the lacunas, which I have to modify it. All the factories, if you will kindly see, they are well organized. So we have to reshuffle. Kachra nikalta hu sir itna truck to truck, because they are end pieces padi hai, fabric padi hai, they are not organized. They don't care. Yes, please. Are you clear? Hello?
Sir, one more, like, if I'm not asking more in this, what I want to ask you is particularly like whenever any area is given to you, in that case, how you are proceeding. I mean, this is the plan which you have prepared. In that case, right from the material or the fabric or the trims which are received, how you are moving ahead in that. I mean, right from the material which received, as you have told, like there will be the cabin who is going to, the person or the staff is going to check the material, and then it moves further for the cutting. Then you should have that cutting area. So like that way, what is your thinking in that way? I mean, you are having all the experience of almost, you told 40 or 45 years.
Okay, please. Now you listen. We first go and survey the area, which is the area they're offering for the planning. So we know how much it can be placed. We understand their product, their style. Suppose high fashion garment is there, they don't cut whole layer, no, they cut pallas. Then pallas will go outside and then again they will be brought back. So accordingly we have to design. I have to first prepare a concept layout. I have prepare a rough layout. I am allocating the areas as per the design, as per this. If it is a knit has got totally different thing. They come in the rolls form. Denim is coming in the rolls. I keep the relaxing machines. I'll keep the fabric inspection machine. The metering is to be done. So my all factory which we plan, they are customized. They are not a common as per their product, common as per they exist, if they are working exactly. And we see the bottlenecks. And the important thing is everything is lockable here. You see, this guy cannot go fabric store, they cannot give him a fabric. And trim store, if you see, I put a counter here. If you see the counter here, trims, come to the, look at the trim store. The person is standing outside, he cannot come inside. He will come, he will check, he will give him a challan and he will take it out. There is a door, 4 feet wide door. Somewhere they put the door of 2.5 feet. I said, why 2.5 feet? You can't move your table inside. The height of table is 3 feet. The door should open outside. The architect said, no, sir, इतना बड़ा खर्चा क्यों कर रहे हो? छोटा door लगाओ ना, आदमी को ही तो निकलना है. And the fire demand, this, if you see the store, double door, if you come to the place where my cursor is moving, this is double door. So this is the double door, because sometimes to move the furniture inside, the partitions are created. Suppose somebody wants to take out the whole furniture outside. So these are the double door. Normally working single door will work. And then I will prepare the concept for all the cut to pack till the dispatch. Then detailing, I will do one, this drawing must be my 4th or 5th revision. This is not this is the final drawing. It must be written somewhere here. When I put the date, the first was given on this dates, then it came on this dates, this is the floor, and this is the things. Measurements are being given. So shall we go ahead? You are clear, please? Anybody else?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. One more thing before the stores, I would like to say, we can understand from yarn, fabric, and everything. I had done a lot of factories, so I understood the whole process. So we are not talking about that. So the inspection machines and this, the glass and this, lot of things are required. Now, the today's construction, earlier there was in parking areas a big problem over there in India. They cannot park cycles and cars, and because everybody used to come on a cycle. Now they put a motorcycle. Now they have brought a merchandiser, staff. They got lot of cars, and you don't have space on the main road where you can park your vehicle. So government has, this is a new building I'm setting up. This is a recent plant, made on 1 year old. This factory is under construction. So
2019.
this-
2019.
19. So now there is a rule has come out that they should arrange the parking area within their premises. No car, nothing will be blocking the roads in case of the fire tender cannot come. So they have put inside vehicle. And plus we give them a facility of workers' canteen. The worker will not go outside, because he will go outside, then he can leak the things, pilferage is there, they can put the things in their tiffin boxes and everything. They are not supposed to go out. So the compliance says you keep the sufficient canteen area where your workers can go for the shift manners. So I am planning, this is all my developments, which I see in the companies working in Tata's, working in the paper mill, working into the industry there. These rules were followed, which I learned. So pack shipment, suppose now pack shipment, where is to keep the pack shipment if you are looking at this one? Is it visible? Please? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Shall
Yes,
I
sir.
go on?
Sir, visible.
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir,
Ah.
visible.
So this will actually I am supposed to leave whole area for parking, but since we don't have that much cars, we have made this floor. This is not allowable. But illegal is something we have to do. If everybody wants to walk on a footpath, nothing is possible. So this is the temporary structure. This will be removed. These partitions are of aluminum and see-through glass. Now considering when architects are planning, they are not planning this window. We keep all at 3 foot and above height. They were keeping at 3 feet. My table heights, all furniture heights are 3 feet height. So I tell them, when you put these windows or anything glass, please this ventilator height and this thing should be minimum 3 feet above the floor or 3.5 feet. So this is my pack shipment. Why I put the pack shipment here? Why can't pack shipment here? Because I want this has to go out on the ground. All the 4 sides are my driveways. We have to keep driveway open for movement of fire tenders or people or anything. So now this door even, if you can kindly look at the door even, this is the area for pack shipment, this much 9 meter by 8 meter I have kept these 2 doors. These doors, purpose of these doors, suppose the material is coming from here, this door, and it will go out from this door. My other rest of area will remain undisturbed. I don't have to disturb this whole area. And it will directly go to the here. And if we want to, now this lift we planned, for this lift has got opening on the ground floor. The basement is, and the ground floor outside driver is 4 feet below, because of the providing the provision of the ventilators. So my lift will come, it will be loaded to the lift. Suppose it is coming from the upper floor also, there is an opening here. If you can see the minor detail, this is the opening here. This is the opening. Now this door, even this door also we have to keep minimum 4 feet. I can't afford to have a door of 3 feet like other things they were doing. So this 4 feet door is there. And cursor, okay. So this is this direction. This door opens on the ground floor, 4 feet above the driveway level. This is going now. The door were earlier it was collapsible. Now compliance says no collapse. Somebody's hands will come inside. Now so we have to keep the folding doors. So that has been modified. Folding doors. So this door, now door also architect understand that this door has to open outside in case of fire. They come and check these things. In this also there is a landing here, it doors goes out. The staircase should we prefer as per the Vastu. Lot of people they say I am doing Vastu also. They say sir right clockwise mein step jaane chahiye, you do whatever way you want to do it. So we are arranging this. Now this is small pantry we have made here. This is small WC. Now they want क्या बोलते हैं इसको बच्चों का crèche form is required. There are a lot of norms. Above 800 people we have to keep the ambulance within the factory because otherwise they will not get the order. So all this minor even layout of the toilet also I provide them because the layout they don't understand. The ladies entry should be avoided. They cannot. Earlier there was a quota, if you can kindly remember, you people. There was a quota. 31st December was the last date for the exporter. So there will be a problem with the ladies entering from this side. Now, if you can look into this side, the ladies is separate entry. Gents has got separate entry. They should not cross. There should be a privacy on these things because I had done the hotel also. So all these things I am putting, they are getting the surveys. This is HR. This is a prayer for Muslim. We have to keep the prayer rooms for them. Prayer room should be where and facing west because they pray facing west. They can come from the outside also. This is a door. So all these minor details I have learned after years of the experience. This is the ramp because this is it. From this ground level, it is 4 feet high. Okay, shall we?
Sir, can you see the door of the open door through which the women worker are entering into the slit floor plan and as well as the prayer room door, which is which to be accessed from the outside. So the cursor is not visible over there. So if I'm not wrong, they are side by side according to this design.
No, prayer room door is not there. This is a dimension I have given of the door only. Prayer room door is, if you look at the other end.
It is having two doors. The people from the inside, they can move into the prayer room and as well as they can use the outside. And where is the door for the women worker to step into the factory? It is not visible.
This is the corridor. No, you see, this is a long corridor. This is the partitions here. This is a long corridor. They can go out from here to the ground.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any question?
Yes, sir. Can I ask the question? Yes, sir. Is it mandatory? I mean, as per the compliance, the prayer area has to be there, and you have talked about the crèche area because that is as per the compliance. The crèche area has to be there, and the one more thing, like whenever I'm visiting to the for the government consultancy, they are asking like it should be according to the Vastu Shastra. What is your opinion, I'll say, or what is your expertise in that? I mean, are you planning this whole according to that Vastu Shastra?
No, you see, again, it comes to the space. Now, this is otherwise we take those things on the terrace. Now, recently, Marigold I put in Sector 63, where the upper floor they kept empty because they are inviting the people from the other factories. About 200, 300 people comes for the prayer. We put their prayer for hand wash and things, waju karte hain jo. And kahan baithega, that is as per their now west facing and the space for praying, no. They put, I have not brought all these drawings. I have got all these things. So of course we consider mainly the material, heavy material should go into the southwest. You see, southwest we are keeping raised little bit in the construction time also. Either we put some block Lot of people are believing in Vastu. Earlier people were not believing Vastu. Suppose something goes wrong, they say, sir, Vastu karte ho. I have worked with the 12 Vastu consultants because I give drawing to them to approve as per the Vastu where material is getting, where the owner should sit. He should also sit in the southwest. Southwest is a corner of Kuberdhan. Lakshmi ji is in northeast. Accountant should sit in the northeast. I am giving them a window from the floor itself to distribute the salaries. Nobody is coming inside. Drive a lot of changes. I have got there maybe 15, 20, 30,000 drawings with me. Next. So now we have come to the, because here we talk, that is actually on the ground, but then we have to say the ground, that area is not coming under the covered area approvals. No? So now machinery we have kept on the first, that is actually it's called ground. Okay. Everybody's with me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Shall I-
Yes, sir.
Clap. You have to come into the mode of the student. How do you feel? How you're enjoying the presentation?
So it's excellent, sir.
It is excellent, sir. It is excellent.
It's very
Any
knowledge
suggestion?
enriching. Thank you, sir.
Kindly, if you can suggest me any improvement, I am welcome. You are welcome to advise me. You say I am a student always. Please, you can.
Sir, it's a
give me
very
your-
humble gestures of yours. It's a very humble gestures of yours. You are having more than 50 years of experience behind you. So
G.R.D.
how could I?
G.R.D. Tata said, I am working. When I work, I feel that people are dependent on me. When I pray, I depend on the God. So he was traveling in a plane, G.R.D. Tata Sahib, because Tata Sahib, I met him personally, I did his guest house. He was a good carpenter. When he called me and told me, Mr. Motwani came to the site and Prithviraj, my steps you keep wider. My feet is 10 inches, so my tread should be wider. And then he was a very humble person. Hello? Hello? So he was traveling in a flight going somewhere. So some press reporter went to him and asked him, sir, you have got achieved everything. What is now you are wanted to enjoy or understand? He said, I wanted to become a good human being. Good human being, these teachers, they can tell the students, my students, if they come, I sometimes add the jokes also. Because the subject should be interesting. I remember my days when mathematics teacher used to come, he used to throw the chalk. There is if somebody yawning or this thing. So we have to lecture it is more responsibility. We are like the parents of the students. My 10th faculty teachers are there. Kindly treat the students, them your child. Give them a punishment also if they are coming. Last time Mohali, I was there in last session, 2 girls came late. I said, today is your assignment. You have to draw the assignment. You less the 1.5. Sir, mere ko aise ho gaya. I said, then please forget it. You will not be allowed to. And she was crying. Then I went outside, allowed him half an hour more. So all these things, there are a lot of things is required. So it is not only that all the clients are like my family members. For repeated units I have done. They don't sit in a chair. If I go this and the Motwani sir, you be on this side. So the respect, lot of respect I am getting. And today I am very proud. I am addressing the people senior to me. I am not supposed to talk like this to my seniors. I have got full regards for the people, those who are more educated than me. I am a 5th class pass. But I got the opportunity to talk to the president.
So please don't cry, sir.
President, Prime Minister, and my exporters are billionaires. They go, they say, Motwani साहब आते हैं गेट पे गार्ड को इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है, please don't ask him to wait. I don't come at my, regarding the time, people they say the watch 11 बजे Motwani साहब आ गए, the people should come. So that kind of, I enjoyed the status. And I would like, I am very glad to Dr. Poonam because she has given me the opportunity to, if there would have been no COVID problem, virtually eye contact is required. So that I am missing. Okay, so let us proceed. So what is the time? Okay,
Sir, please, it's our honor कि we are learning from you.
No, great.
True, madam.
देखिए, Harpreet ji is a written engineer. You are now doctor, doctor. This concept has come from the military, from these things. You should have fire. Whom I am talking to? मेरे तो every say like Dharmender, I make the quote, but I could not get a single free day. I was working hard for the company, for the coming to the NIFT and every centers. I have given my lectures to all center of the India. Okay. So now this is a stitching floor. This is the very critical floor. There are the 3 segments I am making in this production process. One, the store, receiving the fabrics or the store person, because then it goes to the cutting. From cutting, this comes to the stitching. Now the whole process has to be divided into the 3 segments. They are interlinked. Suppose cutting comes wrong, grading is done wrong, there will be a lot of problem. We don't allow tailor to the cut and recut. No catch is allowed. Machines, no catch is allowed. No. So the machines are kept in such a way. I have not shown exactly, this is only the block you see. Again, you can locate here, this column is not hindering the passage. This is the beauty of this drawing. You see all passages are clear. This is one side machine. This is not double. These are this machine and this machine. And they are facing this. Japanese they understand the better assembly line. The oppositors should face each other. Handling the needle. Can you tell me which side is the needle? Machine ka needle, which side is the needle? Anybody can tell me? मशीन के राइट हैंड साइड में नीडल है किधर है? Sewing machine, needle is on which side?
So left hand side.
Left side. Why on the left side? Why it was not on the left side? Why it was not on the left side? You see, earlier the machine was, it was a right hand side of the wheel. पहले जो wheel को हलाते थे. So his right hand is side on the wheel and the left hand is towards the needle movement. Left hand is doing the all handling. Right hand side is control the things, pick up from the trolleys or do something. So I designed the workstation. It is not shown here. We give them a central workstation, some platform slide where they keep components, where they keep the cut components, and they push. I have put the machine. There is a where they take the components from the rail, but it is not working in India because the process and the operator quality, there are different categories of the carpenters, tailors are there, A, B, C, D. So then, but Vastu, they said that everybody should face north, or everybody should face east, which is not possible. In this, if this time you can just look at to there, I have put the direction also. If you can look at here, this is for Vastu, I have to indicate that this is north facing factory. sorry, south facing factory, then east, west, north. So we keep the things, now this, all this bales and this thing, material is here. So now this particularly, this has been designed for okay, this account department, because the manager, director is sitting on this floor. There is a room for the director. So this also we designed. This is a meeting room attached to him where he can do the meetings with the staff. This is the sampling merchandiser. Now merchandiser also, these are the six merchandisers. These are the three merchandisers. No, this is account and document department. They have got another factory where they are sitting. This is totally production unit. So the corridor we mentioned, everything drawing we give them in a detail. So detail, they have got a drawing, detailed drawing, passages are clear. Number of machines, how many number of machines will be there in each line, 52, 52. This also we design according to the number of machines. Nowadays we are putting number of machines of 24 machines, 12 machines. Knits also need 12, 24 machines. They don't require. There are the overlock machines. Single needle machines are very few in a knit garments. In woven, there are a lot of machines, all the operators machines are required. So accordingly we plan. And if you can see, look at to this thing, there are the tables here. If you can see, these are the tables for loading. This is for loading, suppose. And this is for the final inspection. And we are providing the table for online inspection, which you will see in my next factory. I will take you to the visit of the factory. So all these things we are planning. Even online pressing I am giving for to press the small components. You see, to make the quality component crease unka remove karte hain. Suppose half the at some part we have to press the garment. So all this arrangement I am giving, studying from the various factories to factories and giving them all this area. Lift is here. Now while planning the lift, we see it should go and where to keep the electrical shaft. You see, we keep near to the lift only because this area sometimes this is electrical. Now near this is the electrical shaft area. This also I had to plan so that all the DBs and these things are, the cable is coming from outside. We give them this area for this thing. Okay, shall we proceed? Any question? Any next? We have come to the first floor. Now this first floor, if you can kindly look at to the areas. This is the press, steam press. This is steam press. So we work out how many steam press he will need. That calculation even I am giving them. Okay, you need 24 steam presses. Depending upon the garment size, time of what garment is taking time to press it out. So accordingly, I give them a quantities. Okay, you put the 12 steam presses. And they are made in a group. Suppose when there is no whole factory is working, here also we had designed in such a manner that this after pressing they were keeping near the tables small table. This is garment is to be hanged immediately after pressing. Why? Why garment is to be hanged? Earlier there was no hangers. Now I have given hangers to all the pressmen. This both line because there is no, they need around 24 and 48 presses they need because they are bringing from other factory also. So you tell me why it is required to put on a hanger? Why after pressing we put on a hanger? These are all hangers. Everywhere it is hangers. between the
For
tables.
the crease less cloth, उसमें
हाँ?
कोई भी crease नहीं आया उसके अंदर कपड़े में. प्रेस करने
No,
के बाद will directly put it on the hanger for the crease, उसके ऊपर भी नहीं आया, कोई भी लाइनिंग
okay.
नहीं हो.
Okay. But there is other point also. Can anybody tell me which is other point, important point?
सर उसका फॉल जो है वो बिल्कुल सही रहेगा.
चलो इट्स सेम थिंग, क्रीज नहीं आएगी. थर्ड, एनी इंटेलिजेंट आंसर?
जगह कम लगेगा.
चलो
Lesser
दैट इज आल्सो ओके. आई एग्री दैट इवन.
जैसे
Important
अलमारी.
point. 10 mark wala points. 10. I give you 10 marks.
Sir, if
I
if
keep you
there is some
recording Viva also. I tell the students,
Sir.
if you are answering my questions while explaining, I will add on their Viva. I got a 60 mark for preparing the assignment, and 40 marks are for the Viva. I have got about 20 shut up students.
Should be, sir.
Viva.
We will see how much the finished good has been there, hanging around.
No, what is the advantage we are asking?
What is that this has been done, and is there any problem in that?
No, there's important points which I observed. I think you might be agreeing with me. If there is
steam जो है उसको थोड़ा evaporate करने के लिए
correct.
steam भी
You
होगा
got the 10
उसके अंदर.
marks. Okay, you got the 10 marks.
Thank you, sir.
That is the main purpose.
Because the
we
steam
put in
press,
the
so steam will
polybag,
be
no?
there. Yeah.
The moisture आ जाता है. You are
Especially
right.
if it is a cotton fabric, it can be mildew effect will be there if the steam will be there. So steam has to be evaporated before packing.
You know any factory manager is here or all the faculties?
Sir, all the faculty members are there mostly.
Okay. नहीं तो डेबिट नोट बहुत आते हैं ऐसे. Moisture होता है to go by sea, no? Lot of debit notes they get. One of my consignment went to the Japan exporters. They send it back. They had used somewhere MTO, mineral turpentine oil, for dry cleaning. And when they opened up, the smell came out. They said, no, you take whole shipment back or throw in the sea. When they try to put a sand perfume, it doesn't work out. No, nowadays we are using perchlorethylene, some materials for the, not MTO. So that is the correct thing. And plus the operator. Now, how far the hanger should be placed? There should be a space for movement of he should not touch the garment. He should not touch the garment. So we have planned.
Just a minute, sir, can we move a little faster, sir?
Yeah. Okay, now there is one more floor. I am free then. So this is all important area. These are the machines for the thread trimming. These are the machines for trimming only. They got automatic machines which trim the threads. So we have kept here. First the material will come here. After stitching, it has been made. And perk machine is here. This is a perk dry cleaning machine. This is a spotting area. This is they want covered. The smell should not go to the other garment. It should be closed door, and with the hangers. Particular type of MTO, this spotting material chemicals are to be used. This is the manager. So this is packing trims. Now packing trims we bring from the basement and keep it here. Then it is to be issued. You have to control the wastages. The label, if you short up few labels, the whole shipment got stuck. So I told them put it here. It is coming counted. Buttons, this, that. So button, there is all these things has been planned. Okay, so next. Oh, okay. This is one more option. They asked me if we made a complete unit, you can just look at this thing. So this is for the machines. This is floor is complete, stitching and finishing both. So this was made like that. The things remain same. These thread trimming machines are there. They are there. Next. The screen पे ले आओ. This is one more option of bringing the machine on the terrace, because terrace area is, the operator gets the terrace floor for this thing. Second floor, no, the third floor is not there. It's open area on the terrace. So now terrace sometimes also next. Now this is the washing area, which we normally provide on the terrace area, open to sky. Why we keep the open to sky area? Because to sun dry. Certain garments are to be put into sun dry. This is the drying tumblers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the washing machines. Washing in charge is here. Chemical room, chemical we can't keep it open. It should be in lockable area. They should be issued. These are the hydro. They take the extra water from the washing. This hydro is for this machine. This is the hodis, which they call work machine, thread cutting area. Before sending to the washing, we cut the threads after stitching. This is the boiler which generates the steam generator boilers there. Okay. Now quickly run, I will show you the Okay, I will taking you to the factory visits. Are you ready? Now this is 1994. I made this factory for Richa, Gaurav International in Gurgaon. 236. That was the first unit they have got for the all with the compliance and everything. With this is now pictures, present picture of that. Now this earlier they were not putting these ramps. Material comes here in the driveway, they are to be staked here from there. It is through the lift, it will go up. But when they are sending out, it is coming through these slides. Now this is the fabric is stored inside. All the parameters are there. This is the trim store. Everything is labeled, counted and kept here. As per the order wise, it will go. Now this is the cutting room for layering. Suppose sometime palla is to be cut. All the instructions are being placed here. This is fully compliant unit. The lighting level, lux level, required lux level in cutting area is more than the inspection for to check the fabrics. It is required 800 lux. This is for automatic layering cutting machines. This is the check the cut components. This is the bend knife. Okay, sorry. Yeah, bend knife is there. Then it comes, the whole block is, I told you the block is cut and then it will be checked here. All the paper they keep for the segregation of the medium, large or whatever it is. This is the fusing. Instructions is required. This is also checking of the cut parts. Quality is very much required and the rejections are avoided. Line feeding machines there. Lux level is now, earlier it was 600, now it is 800. This is the instruction here for this particular style. We will put a board here where the operator will, before distributing, he will see these parameters are met or not. Detail is there. All these details are there. This is also for the rules for inspection. These operators are sitting in one direction. They are not facing each other. As per the Vastu, they change these things. This is the after finishing. Pressing area is there. And this is hanged. If you see, we have kept a sufficient distance here. Sufficient. I am not touching the garment. These passages are clear. Now here on inspection also, once it is pressed and sent, for putting tagging or labeling. This is instruction for that particular style. What kind of things are to be placed, these operators, they know everything. When there is this was the floor was not having a full height. So I had to bring all the supports on the ground. And this individual 4x4 tables were providing. So that they will do the initial and then get to the next these things. The whole operations are made. This is engineer Sridharan sir. When he retired from the side, he said, hand over country to the experts, let them work. You see, now the experts are required, the technical people, we need them to understand, to the learn and things. Thank you for sparing your time, and my all the regards to the seniors, people, staff present there. If I made any mistake, please kindly excuse me for my language. I don't have decorated words. So thank you. I'm
Sir,
Thank you very much, sir.
we can now take the questions from the participants if they have any.
please. Hold them.
Any participants regarding any question in case of any query regarding today's session on plant layouts? Then we can have.
Yeah, please. Yes, please.
तेरे गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री के अंदर जो आप जो अलायंस रहते हैं उसका कोई स्टैंडर्ड रहता है कि कितना डिस्टेंस जो स्टैंडर्ड मिनिमम डिस्टेंस कितना रखना है हमने फिक्स्ड जो स्टैंडर्ड कोई इसका है कुछ हमारे पास machine to machine what will be a machine to machine distance in the
Machine
garment
to machine, as per the compliance, machine to machine is 2 feet, 660 centimeters, sorry, 6 millimeters, 600, 2 feet. Because the reason is that the back of the operator should not touch. For that, we have made a special stools also, that it should not touch the machines. 2 feet, machine to machine. Machine width is 1.5 feet, 1 feet and 9 inches, and totally we allocate the space of 4 feet. 2 feet of machine and 2 feet of space.
okay
Yeah. Now the all corridors earlier was 1500, you see, for the trolley movement. Now that we are increasing to 6 feet. And one-way traffic we are making. For the COVID, we are putting lot is sanitizing machines. They wash their feet and then they go inside the factories. And we have covered all operator. We put screens for the COVID.
and what about the lighting requirements?
Lighting lux is increasing. The reason of increasing, like if I am in Dubai watching, and the importer, they say the lux what we are displaying our garment is under 1200 lux, and the garment is manufactured and 600 lux or maximum 800 lux. So they say when client looks or the policy is to return, they don't want to see any spot is there or anything. They put a claim. So they say we want similar lux level when we are displaying our bar. So that is the reason it avoids the mistake. You can lux level started right from the cutting, receiving the fabrics. They are fully checked, fully marked. The spot is marked there. While cutting, they remove that much area. 1.4 level. Any other technical question? Otherwise, I could have speak on the yarn, fiber stable, necessary lab test.
Sir, we receive one question from one of the participants.
Yes, sir.
Is there any waste disposable area of remaining fabrics while cutting or after rejection while inspection?
Sorry, please repeat.
Is there any waste disposable area of remaining fabrics? Remaining fabrics, I think remaining fabrics means waste fabrics. The participant is talking.
Cutting wastage, that is we are allocating outside in the driveways. No, we keep first of all, I told them to use the end cutters so that we have minimized the wastage of the end pieces. And even I told the exporters to please order the fabric according to your ratio. Suppose bale is coming off, one is coming off 80 meter length, one is coming 65 meter, that also we restricted. To get the similar, they had to pay a little bit extra amount to avoid the extra end pieces.
Moreover,
Now recently in the one of the factory PM Pro, I went there. I saw in the cutting area. You see, they are putting they have got automatic layering and cutting where the paper is kept. They same box, same dustbin. They put the paper. The same dustbin they put the cutting wastage. Same dustbin they putting sweepers. Why? I say you put the paper separately. And I am separating even color cutting. If the color cutting, some black layer fabric is cut. Keep that. Once the layer is finished, you take and put separately. Make a 10 kilo bundle and then you keep it separately. The guy will come, we will count, take away. Otherwise, they mix the all cutting white and color cutting. That we are separating.
Sir, one of the participants asking for the different types of production systems we have.
Now, production system, you see, the best production is assembly line. Now, assembly line, you see, there are a minimum, I observed there are 28 parts. For suppose anything, any garment style, their parts are in 28 numbers. So we keep, earlier we were making workstation for 36 machines. That we are reducing now to 24 machines. Because we want certain things before production. So now cutting area can do some work, some attachments, and we want to minimize the operator and to increase the productivity. Sometimes some factory works at full length. So then it is lot of wastage is there. Rejections are there. And we have to recognize the operator ABCD grade. Particular operation should be done with that expert operator. Any question?
One more question. Do we have modular production system or unit production system implemented in the Indian garment industry?
Harpreet, the reason is that our styles are not repetitive. Suppose if I shot a trouser or shirts where the production process is same, only the fabric changes. But here the style is changing. The ladies garment is made in the north area, the south area, there is a constant production. Volumes are there. In north, for ladies and fashion designing, volumes are not that sufficient.
Has circular economy made any impact on plant layout system in the apparel industry?
Sorry, repeat.
Has circular economy made any impact on the plant layout system in our industry?
This is the plant layout and the control. Suppose if you make the layout also, if it is not monitored or not followed, so you have to monitor at every stage. You have to lean management. It came earlier. Dr. Poonam knows. So lean management, it is not working. They are not following. They are not even one rack they put the same color. And reject fabric is to be kept separately. It should be avoided. They should be in a separate area. So all this, again, still lot of things are required to change the attitude. Everybody has to change the attitude.
Moreover, I think that the significance of plant layout is increased in the today's context also from the compliance point of view. Because the compliances are now getting stringent and day by day, particularly from the buyer side. So from that point of view, we also have to take care this topic has to be very plan the things very carefully.
No, only the discipline is required. You see, now Richa, they got 45 factories copied from my one factory from very first day. I told them you have to keep some systems. He cannot go to the 45 factories, Mr. Virendra Upal or Mr. Vinay Upal. They say we can't go. I say you set the system. Your manager should run the factory. You should not go and work. He's 6 o'clock going home. His table seat is clean. Like Sridharan also says, the person who is working overtime, please give him a good certificate and send him off. So that discipline owners has to be strict. I told them, earlier pilferage was there in the fabric. I say, you make a system, we put a password. Before he signs the check for the fabric, he has got 10 words. You see, if you have, the PO is order, he has made the PO, you just has to take, okay, I order 10,000 meters, meterage ho gaya, it is okay. Now second it is coming, kitna defect aa gaya, that is, password is different. The third person doesn't know. He comes in the evening in the other office and tries check ready at the counter. So that discipline has to be from the owner side. Now owners is giving the responsibility to the CEOs, like Shah is handling 1,000 crore product, 4,000. So he is given responsibility. If you are earning, you earn, give me this percentage. You become a owner. I give you the full authority. My job is to get you the order. I am free. Like slowly that culture is coming up and it will improve, which is required also. For that purpose, we have to train the lower staff. We have to train the lower person, those who are handling. The manager is okay, but we have to train technically. If you do this thing, if you check the fabric initially, first they should send the person to the mill. The mill should be not sending the such fabrics where there is an alteration and things is required. We have to create the good inspectors. That is the answer. We have good inspectors.
So I think, sir, the key takeaways of today's session are that the good planned layouts of the industry helps in streamlining flow of the production process, which ultimately helps in increasing the efficiency of the garment industry. And
yes,
the second
100%.
Yes, and the second one and the most important one is to ensure the safety of the employees.
Safety of
the employees. Working
not
in
not only sir, safety of employees, it is the entertainment of employees.
Yes.
They should be given all the facility, timely payments, their family background, EA, PSI, all the advantages to be given. But it is very difficult for an exporter to get the profit margins are going down and down. You see, on a very few profit margin they are working just to survive. There are certain, I should not say anything against the policy of the government or anybody, but it is very difficult to survive. I know. It is very difficult.
So,
though the industry is trying to survive. Now, yesterday got a magazine. Now the fashion designing should be in such a manner where it will go in hand. You see, I had one point. If they remove the color, you make the garment without color. It will work. For 3 years, you don't put anything printing. You don't wear the plain clothes for 3 years, the economy will go up. We hear stores, the garment which they are buying in 40 dirhams, ultimately they are selling at 10 dirhams. There is a store which is selling garment at 4.5 dirhams. Same garment. And now the young generation is understanding. Jeans कपड़ा इतना denim लेता है, फाड़ के पहनता है कि you know the reason? जीन ये फट के जीन क्यों पहनते हैं? ये सैंड वॉश करते हैं. Reason? Because the rich people have come in the market. अरे ये इतना जीन पहन के जा रहा है. अरे you don't know he's a billionaire. For that reason, the people should they should. So fashion को अभी थोड़ा fashion कम करके technical garment बनाएंगे. So we will survive.
Right, sir. Right.
Make a garment also technical. And I am again thankful to the Atal for creating awareness as a technical. All subjects should be technical. One more suggestion I would have, any institute should have one division of technical. Core segment, one is till the stitching, then the finishing, and for the service and utility. You see, lot of problem is there, lot of wastage is there. In the service and utilities, more power saving, control, this LED lights we are putting on nowadays, energy saving, diesel, petrol. So there should be one class for those class. Suppose GMT person is going out, they should know what is the percentage of the services, steam, boiler, generators. There should be trained for that even. First aid training is there always. Compliance is there. Any point, any question, or anybody can suggest me. I will be
Arpit
welcome
sir,
your country
Arpit
suggestions.
sir,
Yes, madam.
some of my colleagues, they are saying that they are not able to join the meeting because they got disconnected due to the network issue. Can you allow them?
Now they can join in the next session, madam. At
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. They are,
2:30.
they are asked me to convey this message to you.
No,
Because,
the session now already over.
okay,
Going
sir.
to-
Arpit, this is recorded. This session is recorded somewhere.
Yes, sir, it is recorded. We will share the recording with you, sir.
Now, when the COVID is over, I will come to India and we can help you the Atal Academy and give them some written material also.
Right, sir. Right, sir. We would like to have a face-to-face session with you, sir. Once this session comes over, sir.
I am thankful to all these viewers and to sparing their valuable time with us.
In fact, sir, we are thankful, sir.
Despite
Thank you very much, sir.
Despite your big issue, you get
Where is
this.
Dr. Poonam? Where is Dr.
Thank you, sir.
Poonam? She's there.
No, madam. सर उसका मीटिंग मैडम का मीटिंग आ गया था कोई अर्जेंट वीसी था मैडम.
Okay. ठीक है. It was nice to be a part of it. Thank you for allowing me all this time.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Now
Have a
all the
good day.
yes,
Have
all
a
the
good day.
participants come back.
You have got my address there. Everything is there. You can WhatsApp me. My other number is not working here, and that is on the. You said again.
Sir, we have already shared your PPT with the participants, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
I am very thank all dignitaries. All I can see so many people here, professors.
All the
Thank you.
participants are requested to kindly come back at 2:30 so that we can start the next session on time. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.